What if I told you that I got this Spotify plaque, YouTube plaque, by running ads? And I'll set up your ads 100% free. Seriously, right now, I need testimonials from artists just like you, proving that I know how to set up the ads. So for a very, very limited time, for a limited amount of artists, I'm actually gonna set these ads up for free in return for a testimonial. This will cost you $0. There is no money up front. I will legit set your ads up. If you want more information on how I'm able to get plaques with 10 million, actually the song has 14 million views now, and every music video I release has 1 million views on it. Go look for yourself. I also have 5 Spotify plaques. If you want me to set this up for you, 100% free. Limited time, hurry, click this. Find out more information on the page. No money up front, it's legit free. You just gotta make me a video testimonial. Okay, click this video. I'm Rob Level from Smart Rapper. Almost 450,000 subscribers, can't be wrong. Limited time, limited slot, seriously, like I only need so many people, okay? Click this video, find out more. I'm Rob Level, keep hustling, and I'll see you at the top.
Like abortion, I ain't kidding, just kidding.